welcome to Ciclomanias online tutorials, and today it's going to be my pleasure to walk you through the process of making this cute and peaceful angel, and I will explain you also some of the materials that you will need, and so let's start it. So when you purchase your do-it-yourself kit, you notice that you have how the end product, like that a little angel, will look like at the end after painting and putting together the pieces. And inside you will find also the instructions. And each of the pieces has actually a letter to identify each shape. So for today, beside what the package contains, I will also recommend you to use white glue. So any glue that you have at home, it works for cardboard. I also use a little brush just to put together the pieces when you are using the glue. And I also have these clips, and the clips that you can use it just to put together the pieces when you are gluing everything. So to facilitate the process, I also have indicate and mark each of the pieces with the letter according to the instructions. So in this case, we start with A, and A is the back part of our angel. So this thing that you're gonna see here, so it's gonna be A. B goes on top of that, so we start putting a little bit of glue, and again, as I mentioned, I use the brush because it actually helps you to distribute the glue and to don't put too much material. And the clips will help here as well. So instead of you holding, you can just put one of the clips, maybe one on the bottom and another one on the top. So it helps with the dry. Then we have piece C. And piece C is actually we need to turn it a little bit because it's gonna be more like where the hands and the body is located. So we're gonna have it a little bit ups and down. So we remove our clips carefully and just make sure that it's glue. So you put it like this and make sure that it's aligned on the bottom. Like this. Okay, you put your clip, one on the bottom, one on the top. And then we have D. D is more also kind of the main body that you see here. So again, we put a little bit of glue. We use our little brush, we distribute. And then we remove our clips, we glue it and align. Try to align these pieces because this is just to give the 3D effect. And maybe at this point it will be a little bit challenging to put the clips. You can maybe try it just because it's getting a little bit thicker, the material. The rest you can just press like this. And then E. So E is the hair. So this part that you see on black on the back. So that's the one that we're gonna line here, something like this. And here, because it's gonna be a little bit difficult to put a clip, you just press. This is ready as well. So F is the little circle that we have. So we put our little circle, so it's the face of our little angel here. Just press. And finally we have G, which G is the hands of our little angel. So one in one side and then the other one. You can just put it aligned with the corners. And just again use the minimum amount of glue, one on one side a little bit on the other one. And you have finished your angel. And it's aligned here. Make sure that it's all aligned. Press that it's well glued. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed putting together your little angel, and if you are interested in learning how to paint it, we're gonna have another video for you available as well, and I will really appreciate your feedback. Any comment, any question that you have, please share it with us. And if you're gonna be sharing also the process or your finalized angel online, please use hashtag Ciclomanias to tag us, and we'll be happy to see what your angel looks like. So thank you so much for watching.